All right, so today I'll be showing you how to pair and set up your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro with an Android phone. So the first time you turn on this watch and choose your language, you're going to see these instructions here, pair. And you can tap on use QR code, and that's going to reveal the QR code that you need to scan with your Android phone. So just grab your Android phone, go to the QR code scanner or the camera and scan that QR code. Now, once you scan it, it's going to give you a link which you need to tap on, and it should redirect you to a certain page. Let me just get rid of this. And that page has the Huawei Health app. Now, for me, since I'm using Samsung, it's going to be in the Galaxy Store. So I'll just go ahead and tap on install, and the app should get installed into my Samsung phone. Now, depending on what device you're using, it might be a slightly different process, but you need to get the Huawei Health app installed on your Android phone. Anyway, for me, it's already installed, so I'll just tap on open, and then I'll choose my region. Currently, it's set to United Kingdom by default. That's probably because of the language of my phone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on next, and then agree, and that's it. So now tap on allow health Huawei Health to send you notifications. I'm just going to tap on allow. Now you're gonna have to sign in, okay? So you can come here to me and then tap on login with Huawei ID, because even if you don't, when you try to link up your watch, it's gonna ask you to log in. So let me quickly log into my Huawei account. If you don't have one, you can just tap on register and set one up. So once you're logged in, you will get welcomed and you need to tap on agree. And now we should be ready to pair our watch. Okay, so just tap on devices and then tap on add device. And then it's going to ask you for permission to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. You need to allow that. And it's going to start scanning for devices. And as you can see, it's already detected my Watch Fit 4. So all I have to do now is tap on connect. And then it's going to ask for permission or access to Huawei Watch Fit 4. So it's basically asking for permission to access my notifications, my phone, my call log, SMS, contacts, and whatnot. All right. So you can go to individual options and read more. Okay. But basically for me, I just want to allow everything. So I'm just going to tap on allow and have my watch have access to all that. So my data is going to get synced. And as you can see on the watch now, it's telling me there's a pairing request. I just need to tap on the check mark to agree. Allow access to contacts. I'm just going to tap on allow. Then you have the terms of use, which you need to read. Tap on the check mark and then tap on next. Now it says I have paired. The next thing you want to do now is tap on continue. You have your settings. Tap on done, and then tap on continue. And then tap on done once again. Okay, so that's it. You have now finished setting up. There's going to be some permissions here and there. For instance, Huawei Health would like to access your location. You can choose while using the app. And then also for accurate measurement, please tighten the watch. So that's to suggest instructions. But as you can see, we have the watch here paired and ready to go. Now on the watch, you may see some orientation instructions. For instance, swipe right to return, basically to go back. Double press to switch between open tasks. So tap on that. Rotate crown to scroll up. There you go. Push both buttons to take a screenshot. There you go. So now we have our default watch face, which looks like that. And we have successfully paired our Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro with our Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.